Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to work on the headliner on my '05 Honda Accord. Man, this thing is all sagging, it's all old, it looks all beat up. There's a bunch of staples in here in the middle section, in the front over here. It's just a mess, guys. But anyways, today I'm gonna show you guys how to remove it and replace it. Let's get right into this video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and let's get into it. Hey guys, so the first steps is to remove all the handles. Pull this little tab back. As you can tell, they're right there. Those pop off. Once you get all those off, then we're gonna start working on the middle. We're gonna remove this little plate right here. Remove those. And then over here in the front, there's also 2 bolts on each side after you move this glass down. I'll show you guys how to do that. And then after that, it's going to be these on each side. This little cover right here, it blocks like 2 little screws in there. So to pop this little cover off, we need a flathead and pry it down that way. Same thing on this side right here, little cover, pry it down this way. And then as you can tell, these little things right here, you got to get a flathead behind it. There's a little hole right here in the backside. Right here. There's a little hole right there. You put a little flathead in there, and then you push it to the left, and it should pop. And then pull down. Same thing with this side. Put a little flathead in the backside. Twist it to the right, and it'll pop out. But yeah, that's it right there. After you get those, it should come right out. You just pull it down right here in the middle. I'll show you guys right now, guys. Don't worry. To take this off, there's like a little thing in the back. I already showed you guys. And you just push it in while you twist this, and it comes out. Just like that. See how easy that was? Little thing, this little tab right here. It's like a little tab in the back side of it that needs to get pushed. And you basically twist it. It just come right out. After that, this little plate right here. You see this little plate right here is gonna have to slide out this way. Let me see if I can get it on. It's these little covers right here. They just kind of like go over it like this, and they just pop in place. But you just basically pop them out and then just pull it over and try not to break it. These things are kind of fragile. But anyways, yeah, that's about it right there. So these two bolts, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then obviously we're gonna take off this like that. And there's this bolt right here, along with this bolt on this side. And then 2 of these little bolts up top here. Go ahead and remove these. This is like a T27 or something. One of those. And watch out right here, guys, because you have an electrical connection right here. You just gotta unplug it. For the mirrors. You'll probably push this down just like that. I'll look for those bolts right there. Same thing. Same thing right here with the. And we got the middle ones right here, the bolts in the middle. I think this holds the whole. Go ahead and take the handle. All right, so I got all the door handles off. I just put them on each side. That way I don't forget which one they go on. I might switch those out and get some different color ones. I'm not sure yet. But take these 2 bolts off. This is the part where you want to get a flathead or something, but I left my flathead inside, so. There it comes out just like that. Then you have your little connection right here. Take your connection off right here. Just unplug it real quick. So yeah, there's like a little tab right there. You just gotta push this down and then slide it out. Guys, I think we're almost done. I got all the handles off. These back are pulled off. They're taken off. The visors are taken off. Now it's this middle console right here. And all I have now is just, I think these two little bolts right there. And it should just pop out. I'm gonna go ahead and get those two bolts out and then pull this headliner out. Alrighty, so I went ahead and took off those center console two bolts, 7.5mm bolts, two of them right there. Took those off and just fell right down. I'm just gonna leave these bolts in here. Don't forget about them. And then just have a plug right here and just pop that plug out. It's a little clip plug. Just push the pin in and give her a nice little Yankee. And after that, guys, I think that's it. Honestly, I think it's now time to start pulling out the headliner. I'm gonna lay back right now and I don't think you gotta remove anything else. I think this thing basically just comes right out. See how it flexes? Just pull it down right in the middle and it should flex inwards. Give her a nice little Yankee to pop her out. So yeah, once you get it off the front two, like these, once you get them off the front, the headliner off the front two pillars, you just gotta slide these outwards, like slide these this way because they're kind of tucked in a little bit in those back pillars. Pulling it out, you see, as you can tell, the back pillars is kind of like coming out just a little bit. That's what you want. Takes a little force, guys. Don't be so nice to it. There you go. As you can tell, the headliner is slipping out the back pillars. And yeah, we're almost there. Might have to get out the car and unplug. So some of the tape is probably holding on to the wires. Let me get out the car real quick. Alrighty, see how this tape, it's all taped up here. Remove the tape. Some of the electrical tape looking. I don't know, that tape's different for sure. Still got some tape on that side. Might have to go on the other side real quick. There's one right in the middle. I think we should be good. There you go, just fell right down. All these wires, push them up somewhere. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna try to pull it out from that side. This thing has I think the previous one, put some staples in it so it kind of has some pokey spots. Just gotta bend it and bring it on in. Had to get the better angle for you guys. There's the old headliner. Yeah, it's pretty disgusting, but it's gonna look way better after this. Alrighty guys, so I'm just scraping off the old glue with this little scrubber here. It takes it off, but it is a slow process, so be patient and just make sure to get all the glue off as much as you can. Sweeping up all the old glue. Alrighty, that's how it should look. Most of the glue's off.
Now time to cut the fabric and measure out how much you need, and now we can start the process of putting the fabric onto the headliner, baby.
Alrighty, so now that we got our headliner fabric cut, we're gonna be using some headliner adhesive. we got the headliner on, we're gonna cut the excess headliner and roll it over the actual headliner here. And then we're gonna eventually cut these, slice these, fold them in, and we should have a headliner that's done. So yeah, I'm gonna start cutting the excess stuff and I'll get back to you guys. Same way we took out, same way we put it in. So crazy how flexible this thing is. So easy, makes it easy. That. Just like that. And now I have it in there. Now I'm just gonna try to pick it up and slide it down these pillars in the back again, and then fold the front in those pillars, those front two in the pillars. So yeah, let me try it out. But we also have these wiring stuff that we gotta put back. As you can tell, I got all the wires where they're supposed to be. That one's in the middle. This one goes all the way to the passenger side. And then I got this little one right here. And this one goes right in this little spot. So I gotta cut a hole right there and then start putting it in there and sliding it. All right, so this is how I'm looking right now. See, I got the wires hanging in there. I'll probably cut some of this slack off a little bit, but I got one side kind of in a little bit, sort of, along with one panel over here. Leaving that right now. I got to put the wire down. Then this right side, I'm gonna work on this right side. I'm gonna try to pick this one up and slide it in and then push it back. This thing does bend in, so you could bend it in, but I'll show you guys right now. See if we can knock it out. All right, I'm trying to figure out where to put y'all at. Anyways, so I got the left side right a little bit in. Now the right side, I just gotta pop this back in a little bit. You wanna pull it down a little bit. Kind of push it. Now that's in a little bit. And I got this little panel right here. This side right here. Get it tucked in. And then obviously you want to try to push it back now to get it in there. Then you want to put these in. Fold these in. This little pillar right here. Now it looks like most of it's in. Kind of just popped in and like, it's kind of like a flexible headliner, so it makes it a little bit easy. But the only hardest part would probably be these back pillars, just trying to slide them in, really. And then once you get that, that's the hardest part. Then the middle ones will pop in easily if you bend it, push it in, bend it, push it in this side too. Not too crazy. But I'm gonna get that side because I'm missing my little connection that's on that side. And I'm gonna pull it down through here. But yeah, that's about it, guys. And then start bolting everything back in. And then that's it. Got a badass headliner. Just a little quick update. Got the wires plugged in, everything on the mirrors plugged in over here. I just bolted these two down, these two bolts up top. Now this is secured. Last piece right here. Remember, this piece goes behind it. And I'm seeing. Everything looks. Hold on. I need two hands again. All right, guys. That's it right there. I can't believe these little things are so hard. I think it's because this freaking fabric is kind of thick, so it makes it a little extra harder. But boom. All this freaking hair. But yeah, guys. So don't mind the hair. It's my doggy. But anyways, I got to get this car vacuumed and clean and stuff. But I'm going to take a look from the outside real quick. Wow, that looks way better. Now that is how you do your headliner, guys. On the 05 Honda Accord. No more sagging, no more none of that. But yeah, everything came out good. I'll leave the link down in the description for the headliner, for the fabric and the glue and everything that I used. Yes, sir. I need to change that light out already. That thing's old. Along with these two in the front. They're like looking dim. Put some LEDs and make it really jump. And I'll give you guys an update on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.